Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a little guide on the Agar Slime Crisis event, and I'll start off with using wind type cookies. So here's the team that I'll be using, and you will need Wind Archer cookie and Rebel cookie to make your team element wind. Here is the gear. I have already set up the extra buffs, but you will need crit and a lot of attack speed. Okay, let's begin the battle and try to beat my current high score. And we already did it! So this now brings me into the top 1%, and I'll be able to get pretty good rewards out of it. Let's do one more battle with an ice type team. Now we gotta find our ice type cookies. I will use Frost Queen and Sherbet Cookie.
You will regret this. I'm unbreakable!
So finding the correct buffs might be a bit difficult and expensive. But anyways, let's begin our battle.
Winter is approaching! 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 Winter is approaching!
Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that this helped and you enjoyed. I love you all.